Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to take full backup in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to take a backup in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 search bar and then type here CUNTROL, and then you're going to find here control panel. Simply open this control panel and then you're going to see skin appear just like this. Click here system and security. After click over system and security, you need to click here backup and restore Windows 7. After click over backup and restore Windows 7, in the left side in the upper you're going to find here something say create a system image. After click over create and system image, you're going to see a skin going to be appear just like this. Here saying to on a hard disk. Actually, I have my hard disk and this has a free space which is 525 GB. So I'm going to click here next, and then it's going to be automatically selected which is related with our Windows 11 backup. So we don't do anything, just click here next, and then it's going to be give you a warning message confirm your backup setting, and exiting setup image of the matching file be overwrite. Actually, I have already a backup and that's giving a error message. If you want to start backup, whenever you click here start backup, that's going to be a re-backup in your same targeted location. So within this way you can easily take your whole PC backup in your Windows 11. After done backup, you're going to see in your targeted location this kind of folder which is Windows manage backup. Actually I took this backup yesterday. So within this way you can easily take a backup in your Windows PC or laptop, and later on if your Windows has damage or etc., you can easily restore your PC through that backup. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.